Okay, hi everyone. So this is the second video for the mirror formula problem. So today I will be explaining these 4 questions, very important. In the next video also we will be explaining more 4 questions. So we'll start from the first question. In the first question he is saying that an object is 24 centimeter away from the concave mirror, an image is 16 centimeter from the mirror. Find focal length. So it is very simple. Just you need to write the solution. First solution you can say. So type of mirror is given as concave. So when it is an concave mirror, given object is at 24 centimeter and image is at 16 centimeter. Is asking to find f value. In concave mirror we know that all the values are negative, so f value got a negative ostadi. We will get the f value negative value. So we'll use the mirror formula. 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. We need to find the f. We can do a small simplification. U into v, u v LCM, get u plus v. So make it reciprocal. F is equal to uv by u plus v. So directly if you want to find the f value, so substitute in this formula, u into v. So you'll get minus 24 into minus 16 by minus 24 minus 16. So if you multiply minus become plus. If you multiply both, or else we can do one thing, we can get a calculation. So minus into minus become, so minus into minus plus 24 into 16. So if you add 6 plus 4 0 40, so minus 40 you can say. So you can cancel this with the help of 8 table. 8 2s are 8 5s are. So 24 2s are is 48. So minus 48 by 5 minus, again we can cancel with the 5 table. 5 9s are 45 and 0.56 are 30. So we got f value as minus 9.6 centimeter. Okay, question is very simple. Object distance ఇచ్చిండు, image distance ఇచ్చిండు, concave mirror అంట, focal value calculate చేయాలి. Mirror formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. Substitute చేయండి, ఫార్ములాలో 9.6 వస్తుంది. Simple. Similarly we'll go for the second question. Second question, find the position, size, nature, image formed with the mirror. Okay, directly question line u, f, h naught values are given, write that only. Second solution, so given u minus 20, v not v, we have to find v, f value minus 15, and height of the object is 1 centimeter, and height of the image we have to find. So whenever you have in this type of question, first thing you need to find the v value. This is which mirror? They have not mentioned the mirror name, but we have an signs. This both u and v value, u and f values are negative. It means that it is an concave mirror. So in concave mirror, u and f values are negative. So v value also will get the. So whenever you have to find the v, we can use the mirror formula 1 by u plus 1 by v. We need to find v. Okay, we'll just do as change, or directly we can substitute. So 1 by f minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by v. So fu is the LCM here. So we'll get u minus f is equal to 1 by v. If you make it change, we'll get v is equal to reciprocal fu by u minus f. So now simply substitute in this one, you get the v value fu. So minus 15 into minus 20. Minus 20 minus of minus 15. So minus and minus plus. So 300 minus 20 plus 15. So 300. So we'll get minus 5. 5 1s are 5 6s are. So minus 60 is the answer. So v value is minus 60 centimeter. So next, as I told you, whenever you have to find the height of the image, we have to use magnification formula. So magnification is nothing but height of the image by height of the object is equal to minus v by u. Here height of the image is not given, we have to find height of the object is 1. So hi by 1 is equal to v value got minus 60. So minus of minus 60 by u value is minus 20. Minus into minus become plus So 1 into this is hi is equal to 1 into minus of minus 60 will come 60 by minus 20. 21 is 23. So hi value is minus 3. So this value got minus 3. So he's asking to find the position. So position we got. The position is minus 60 centimeter. Okay. Position is minus 60 centimeter. Size of the image is 3 centimeter. And nature, whenever the height of the image is negative, we have to write real, invert. Okay, so it is real, invert. And when image chinnaga undi, image peddaga undi, object is small. So 3 is bigger than 3, 1. So you can say it is magnified or enlarged image. Okay, so this is the answer. Third question. So third question is related to which mirror we have to find. So in the question is mentioned convex. So third question is related to convex mirror. So this is the first question we are doing related to the convex mirror. So an object is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter. So u value is 20 centimeter. So whether u value is convex or concave, it is always negative. From a concave mirror, focal length, so f value is plus 25 centimeter. Calculate the position of the image. You have to find the position and nature. To find the position, we can use the formula of mirror. We will use a mirror formula. 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. We have to find v. So same just now we did. So in the place of, we can directly write v is equal to fu by u minus f. Okay, this is the formula. Mirror formula ni manam simplify cheste we will get this formula, or else you can substitute in the mirror formula itself, don't worry. So what is the f value here? 25, u value minus 20, u value is minus 20, again minus 25. So minus into minus, minus 25 to the 500, and this will be your minus 45. We can cancel this with the help of 5 table. 5 9s are 500, minus minus get answer. So we'll get 100 by 9. Simplify, we'll get 9 1s are point something. So 11.11 so bar. Okay, so you can say the distance v value is 11.11. So now he is asking to find the position. Okay, he is also asking to find the nature. So whenever you have asking the nature, so here v, so v value is positive. So positive indicates it is an virtual and erect. So I told you, whenever it is negative, we have to write real and invert. Whenever v value is positive, we have to write virtual and erect. It in convex mirror. Next we have to write position. We can see with the help of mirror from minus v by u. This is a formula to find the magnification. With the help of magnification, we can write the nature. So v value is, we can take minus of 11. U value is minus 20. This would cancel. So 11 by 20 is around 0.5. So this magnification is positive, and also you can see here the magnification is positive. So this positive signs, it indicates it is an erect. Okay, and also we find that v value is smaller than u. So image will be small. So diminished, virtual, erect, and you can say diminished. So in convex mirror, always image will be formed diminished, virtual and erect. Okay, this is the nature. Next, fourth question is very very important. This question already they have asked in the exam, so you just see this question. So now n 2 centimeter height object is, okay, first fourth solution and T, you have to find which type of mirror. So mirror is concave mirror, it is mentioned in the question. Next, an object 2.0 centimeter of height. So height of the object is 2 centimeter, placed at a distance. So u value is given as minus 20, concave means we have taken minus, so minus 20. A real image is found, so V value, so image is found at 40 centimeter, so minus 40 because it's concave. Calculate the focal length and size of the image. He doesn't ask any nature, so we have to find F and HI values. Very simple, easy question. So with the help of U and V value we can find the F. So 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. If you write in the reverse way, we get F is equal to UV by U plus V. So directly substitute the value, we'll get the minus 20 into minus 40 by minus 20 minus 40. So minus to plus, so 20 into 40 by 60. So 21 da 23 za. Okay, so we'll get minus 40 minus 40. Is it correct? Yes. So here we'll get the F value is around 3. You have to divide. So 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9, again 3. So we'll get 13.3 centimeter, which is minus. So here why the when we have done the calculation, we got F value is minus 13.3 centimeter. Now we have to find the height of the image. So we know the magnification formula. Height of the image by height of the object is equal to minus V by U. Object is 2. So object is taken as positive because it lies above the principal axis 2. V value we got, they have already given minus 40. U value is minus 20. So minus to minus, this will become plus. Okay, so 21 the 22 the. So we have HI by 2 is equal to this minus goes up, minus 2. So HI value is minus 4 centimeter. So he is just asking to find the focal length size. So size of the image is 4 centimeter and focal distance is this one. If he is asking the nature, we can see here we got V value is negative. So V value is negative, or we can say the V is height of the image is negative. So it means that it is an nature is real, invert, and object is 2 centimeter, or image is 4. So enlarge, bigger in size. Okay. So I have explained these 4 questions. So in next video I will be explaining some other 4 questions, so which they have asked in the previous year exam. Okay, so keep watching. So please watch the next video even, or else I will just give some questions. Okay, you just find the solution for that. And ఏవైతే క్వశ్చన్స్ నెక్స్ట్ లో ఇస్తున్నా అది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్, అది కంపల్సరీ మీరు చేయాలి.